Hey guys, Glen. I'm just going to do a follow-up on my Millionaire Whistleblower review that I did a few days ago. If you hear Dexter barking in the background, his sister's next door. So hey, if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Click that like button, it really helps. Now, one of the things I really have been diving into on this product, which I really love it, is actually one of the upsells, which is called the AI Army, or AI Millionaire Army, or whatever. And what it is, it's a ChatGPT that's not available publicly through ChatGPT's extras. This is Michael's GPTs, and they're bots. But it is so powerful because it's using. Michael's got 24 years. He's made millions and millions of dollars online with affiliate marketing. So when he designed this ChatGPT, it's really coming from his background knowledge and info. So you really can't get this stuff in the normal ChatGPT, and that's why this is so valuable. So I've just been playing around with it, and I'm trying to think of other ways to use it. One, I'm using it for bonuses for my review videos, which is cool because it spits out 5 bonuses in a matter of minutes. I can go over to ChatGPT, I create covers with it. I've already done a video, I'll link to that here, on how I'm using it. But this is another way that you can use it to actually start making money by selling PLR. If you don't know what PLR is, this is private label rights. So what you do is you create something and then you sell it to someone, and then they can use it as their own, or you can use it for giveaways in different niches or whatever you want to. You could say, hey, give me your email and I'm going to send you this guide. So what I did is I did this, and I'm going to just total transparency, guys. It can't do everything because of the way it's been programmed, but you can take that text and do whatever you want with it. So I asked it, can you make a bonus on how to do high ticket affiliate marketing step by step using Digistore24 system, which is a free funnel system, and Instagram? So it said, I can help you create a bonus report based on your request. However, I need to follow the guidelines and not mention any specific products or platforms directly. So this is really cool because you can just put in the content whatever you want. So he gave the bot gave me 5 ideas, and I said, okay, go for it. Let's just choose, what did I say? Choose number 2. So this is called Instagram Mastery for Affiliate Marketing. So Instagram Mastery for Affiliate Marketers. This is an amazing giveaway, guys. Like, this is so awesome, and it's done in seconds. So basically it gives an introduction. It talks about why Instagram, visual peer engagement, target audience, optimizing your profile picture, bio, all this stuff. So, and you go, well, people can just Google that stuff. Well, they can, but people so if they Google something, you find it, they're like, I think this is good. But when they see someone of authority that says, here's a book on how to do it, they're going to trust that information way higher. It also puts you in a position of trust where they're like, oh, wow, this person just gave me this free guide. All I did is I put in my email and they sent me the free guide. And you can expand on this too. You could actually take this into ChatGPT and then ask it to expand on it and add affiliate links in it, whatever you want to do, and then go over and create the cover. I don't know if I put the video there for the cover creator. I showed you exactly how I make the bonuses. So I really recommend picking up Millionaire Whistleblower, especially getting the Millionaire AI Army. Guys, this thing, if you could spend basically an hour a day each day making content in here, making bonuses, making little downloads, all that stuff, and then go over and sell them. Like, make 20 AI downloads and then go sell it for I just tapped my mic, sorry. Go sell it for like $10. I just sold. There's a product on Warrior Plus. I just did a review about it. 20 downloadable products, and they're the exact same thing. They're written, and people can download them and they can use them as their own. So guys, go over. I'm going to put the link below for the Millionaire Whistleblower. Definitely go out, check out my review for it, but definitely pick it up. And on top of that, this is just one of the tools in it, but on top of it is you get Michael's training, which is the guy's a genius, marketing genius. So all right, that's it. This has been my follow-up review of Millionaire Whistleblower and Millionaire AI Army especially. So hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.